All right, so we are in the front row of the beast. This is our fourth front row of the day, I believe. And we'll have to do this on in chunks because this ride's so long and the meta glasses only go for 3 minutes. But we got the front row.
Yes.
And it's a rainy beast ride, so that's fun. We'll get to this lift hill. A good track to get. This ride is so awesome. Yes. All right, up the hill we go. All right, here we are. Top of the beast. The first hill. Bum, 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 bum. Woo! Oh, let's get a good look at this. And the tunnel's the best, right here. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh! Oh! Yes. The branch is cantaloupe. The branch is cantaloupe. Slow it down a little bit. This is much smoother. Much smoother. Oh, you gotta drop it right to the face. In my mouth. Ah. Woo! All right, second lift hill. So now it's coming up the other best part of this ride is, but I don't know what you would call this, but just it goes like this. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's like that. I don't know what you call it.
Lots of tunnels.
Very technical. Yeah. Very technical. Here
Lots of screaming.
Lots of screaming and lots of whoop-de-whoops. They're not loop-de-loops, they're whoop-de-whoops. Let's get some whoop-de-whooping on. You gotta say whoop when you go through the whoop-de-whoop. Woohoo! Oh my God, this is Maui. Oh, yeah.
So good.
All right. The whoop-de-whoops are awesome. No loop-de-loops in that, but lots of whoop-de-whoops. My take is, though, that the front of the car is way smoother.
Way smoother.
If you want the hardcore ride, ride it in the back.
Very back.
The view is awesome in the front, though. You guys have fun?
40-year-old approved front seat.
Front seat, smoothest part of this
Don't
ride.
need ibuprofen. I don't have any aches and pains. Excellent.
Yes. All right. Back to the next.